he not only had the system and the deep state, but he also had the means to hack into electoral systems and to those of his competitors. And therefore, we want to ask Kenyans to ignore the calls to incitement by Mr. Odinga in his endeavor to look for another handshake that His Excellency the President has been very clear will not happen, is not about to happen, and will never happen. And we want to encourage our President and our Deputy President that the people who voted for them, we want to encourage them not to allow themselves to be intimidated into another handshake. The people of Kenya elected the government, they want to govern them. The people have moved on, and we want to ask even those who never voted for us, as we commend them for moving on, not to allow themselves to be incited. We have seen attempts with Mr. Odinga now calling on people to, in the pretext of prayers, to get into the central business district of Nairobi. You have all witnessed the very insightful statements in his rallies. And we now see a pattern of moving beyond the insightful statements to an attempt, in the pretext of coming to pray at IEBC offices, to now get into town and destroy people's businesses. And we want to encourage all Kenyans to continue maintaining peace and ignore the calls to subversive activities by Mr. Odinga, since you all know that house is collapsing faster than it was built. And you're all aware that house was built through coercion. And that coercion cannot work now without the deep state. They used to coerce members of parliament, governors, and other leaders into the coalition of the unwilling. And we continue to welcome all other affiliate parties that want to work with Kenya Kwanza to realize the agenda that was spelled out in the plan, which was our manifesto, to join us to work together for the benefit of the people of Kenya.